Welcome back. Peace and power. My name is Nina. I'm Katie's granddaughter, and today we're getting back into the big book of chart patterns. And so, what we're going over today is the cup with handle, or the cup and handle. And I just want you all to know what it looks like with the pattern. With the chart and without. So, this is the pattern without the actual chart, and this is the pattern on the chart with your candlesticks, right? So the direction of this pattern is bullish. It is a continuation pattern. And this pattern occurs within the context of a longer uptrend and is characterized by the price forming a U-shaped cup with a short handle on the right. The duration of the cup should last at least 7 weeks if you're looking at a daily chart. Now, volume will typically follow the shape of the cup with high volume as the left lip forms, falling volume as the bottom of the cup forms, and rising volume toward the right lip and on the breakout. And so that's what you're looking at on the screen. It coming down here and then coming back down to here and then going up. It's a continuation pattern going upward, which is what? Bullish. Bullish is up, bearish is down. If you missed the video on bullish and bearish, what it means in the market, click the playlist FOREX Simplified and it is there. Okay, so a close above the upper trend line drawn across the handle with above average volume. And that will be your confirmation, your breakout confirmation. Measuring technique. The price target is obtained by measuring the right lip to the bottom of the cup and then adding to the price level of the right lip. So you're going to take from here to here and you will add that to here. And that would be how you come about your take profit. You know when to get in and when to get out. And that's what we want to focus on. Learning when to get in and when to get out of the market. Statistical notes. The pattern has a low failure rate, but doesn't move as strongly as the other patterns. Patterns with shorter handles perform better than longer handles. And deeper cups with the left lip slightly higher than the right lip perform better. So they're saying when the lip is when this left lip is higher than the right lip, as you see here, it'll perform better. It'll go further. Now, the next pattern is the cup and handle inverted. And so, again, we want to look at it with the candles and without. So this is the pattern. This is inverted cup and handle. And this is also the pattern with your candles, okay? All right. So the direction of this pattern is bearish. Bearish is down, bullish is up. The pattern type is still a continuation pattern. The market will continue going in the direction it's going. This will let you know if you're already in for a sale that it's going to continue to go lower. Pattern description. This pattern occurs within the context of a longer downtrend and is characterized by the price forming an inverted U-shaped cup right here with a short handle on the right, and the duration of the cup should last at least 7 weeks if you're looking at a daily chart. Volume description. The volume will typically follow the opposite of the shape of the cup, with high volume as the left lip forms, following volume as the rounded top of the cup forms, and rising volume toward the right lip and on the breakout. Get over here, it's going to rise up a little bit, and then it's going to break out. A close below the lower trend line drawn across the handle with above average falling. With above average volume. The price target is obtained by measuring the right lip to the top of the cup. So right here to the top. And then subtracting it from the price level at the right lip. So you're going to subtract this from here and you'll get where to get out at. This is the minimum target if you're measuring and subtracting from that lip on down. So that will be your first take profit. You might want to have two take profits in case it go lower. It depends on your support and resistance, right? Or your support line. Now, statistical notes. This pattern has a low failure rate but doesn't move as strongly as other patterns. Patterns with shorter handles perform better than longer handles, and deeper cups with the left lip slightly lower than the right lip, they perform better, right? All right, so again, this is the cup and handle, and the cup and handle inverted. We looked at all four. I'm going to put all four back on the screen, starting with this one. This is it without the actual chart. And then again, this is it with the chart. And then this is the regular cup and handle on the chart. And this is the regular cup and handle without the chart. If you have any questions, please feel free to drop them in the comment section. I will respond. And also, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. I appreciate those of you who have recently subscribed to my channel. I'm just trying to build my platform up. You all know me from Styles by Nina. I will be back on that channel, but this is new ground. We're going to keep it kosher, and we're going to learn all we can about these charts. Only 3% of the world trades, and so we want to be the best in that 3%. So we're going to go ahead and keep pouring into our cup, so to speak, until we become the best. We are manifesting being the best traders in the world. Peace and power, you all.